Hello dear customer, this is our QL POM material auto-lock slider puller injection mold. This one is for number 5 sun puller. The mold is about 24 pieces per mold, and the mold frame is LKM material, and the mold insert is Sweden SSAB material. Okay, now you can see the mold is working, and now let's see. Okay, now the temperature of the injection mold is about 190 degrees. Can see here is the time for injection. The one mold is about 11 seconds. So for 1 hour, it can make about 300 molds. Okay, and here is the injection time of 2.3 seconds. Okay, now let's see the result of the puller here. You can see this one is for sun puller, and it is about 24 pieces per mold.